Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, number one source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is June 12th, 2013, and we'll be covering two pairs for you guys today, the Euro and the Pound. And let's start out with the Euro. So with this pair, we have been following it for some time now, have been watching it since the beginning of the impulses going up, caught that head and shoulder formation, watched the break on the neckline rather, and we initially looked to go long at this level, 128.6. She definitely called out for free on Twitter, and bounced off that trend line we constructed, and then it took off from that level. And it hit both our targets. But this actually surpassed our targets as we initially looked for a move to the 161% fib line, but it shot through that and it extended 261% of wave 1. And then now we completed 3 and recently completed 4. So now we're within that wave 5 move. Now this move upside, this move to the upside, it made a new high, but the volume was still lower than that initial move, that last high, that wave 3 high, which indicates that this is either that wave 5 or a wave B. So we could be in a corrective phase, so this could be the A, B, then C, to round out wave 4, or this could be our 5th wave. So now the targets for wave 5 is 133.48, as wave 3 is the extended wave, so wave 1 should equal the distance of wave 5. So that is our initial targets in this. And if you look at the red fibs, it shows that wave 4 rather bounced off that 23.6% fib line, as wave 2 retraced slightly beyond 76% of the move of wave 1. So we should see the inverse with that, and wave 4 should be ending at this level. So this could be the end of wave 4, it could be a flat correction, and we could see the C wave come down to 132. So be 100 pip gain. So this pair definitely look good for shorts at this area, but you just have to be wary that you could see prices spike up to 133.4, as this could be, we could be in a wave 5 move to the upside, so we could see price spike about 40 pips higher before selling off. But definitely a good area to go short. Maybe enter like half a position, and then if it spikes up, the other half, and then look for it to go lower. Switching gears over to the pound, a pair we definitely like for shorts right now, as earlier in the week we took this pair long, trying to catch the C wave within this correction, within the B, as we had the larger A, then that smaller ABC. So we caught that C wave move, we got in at 155.3, and we got out, we hit both our targets, 155.9 and then 156.3. So hit both targets, and then we looked to go short at this area. Went short at 156.4. If you guys have not entered this pairs yet, you can definitely feel free to enter at this point, as it's giving you that opportunity to. So let's just take a closer look at the waves. So with this one, we're in a corrective phase, and we got that wave A completed, B rather small, to say the least. And then that C wave, it surpassed the 161.8 fib level, so our next target is that 261 extension, which would be at 1.574. So we're about 100 pips off from that level. But as we take a closer look to the impulsive phase of the correction, so our wave 1 and 2 to retrace 38% of wave 1, 38.2. Wave 3 was actually the extended wave, and so wave 4 should extend something inverse to wave 2, which would be 61%. So we should see prices fall towards 154.2, 154.28 to be exact. Prices should fall to that level, and we see that wave A is completed. B, this appears to be a flat correction, so we could see a 100% move or 161.8% move. So as we take a look for the impulses, see that's about a 100 pip move, the move of that initial wave A, and wave B is pretty close. It appears to be a flat correction, so we could see a 100% move for wave C, or that 161.8% move. 100% move would line up with about the 50% retracement level, which would give us the targets for 1.546, and then the other targets would be at that 76.4 fib line, but then it would violate wave 1, so it should not fall that far. Furthest it should drop is to that 61.8 fib line, so between the 50 and the 61.8 fib line. So a great target for this pair would be 154.7, and then the final target 154.3. So definitely a good air to go short with stops above the previous high, the wave 3 high, which stands at 1.568. So something like 1.569 would be a good stop. At this point, that would be a 50 pip stop, and you would stand to make a little over 200 pips. Good risk to reward ratio. So definitely expecting this pair along with the euro to fall. It's just a matter of will price bounce a bit before it actually sells off. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. And any questions or comments, you can definitely feel free to contact me or Paul in the chat room, and we will gladly assist you with any questions or comments you guys may have. Now, enjoy the rest of your week trading, and good luck.